In this video, the process of installing the ESP-IDF and running the Hello World example project for the ESP32-S3 using Windows PowerShell is demonstrated. All relevant links are provided in the description below. Begin by downloading the ESP IoT development framework from the idf.espressif.com. Espressif also provides excellent documentation on installing and running the Hello World example. This demonstration follows the manual installation method using the latest ESP-IDF, not IDE, offline installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and proceed with the installation. No special configuration is required during the setup. After installation, all checkboxes can be deselected as PowerShell will be opened separately. Next, open ESP-IDF in PowerShell. When launched, ESP-IDF configures the development environment by setting up Python, Git, and ESP-IDF paths. This ensures that all required tools and dependencies are ready for building and flashing ESP32 projects using idf.py. Once the environment is ready, create a new project folder named ESP in any preferred location. Navigate to this folder using cd command. Then, copy the Hello World project from the ESP-IDF directory. The necessary commands for this step are available on Espressif's official website. Simply copy the command from the documentation, paste it into PowerShell and adjust the IDF path as shown in the setup. This command copies the example files. The next step is to set the target device. For ESP32-S3, use the corresponding target command. After that, run idf.py menu config. If the blue configuration screen appears, the environment is functioning correctly. Press Q to exit the screen. Now, run idf.py build to compile the project. Once the build process is complete, connect the ESP32 board to the PC and flash the firmware using idf.py flash. This command automatically detects the COM port and uploads the program. To view the output, execute idf.py monitor to observe the Hello World message. Alternatively, the entire process can be executed in a single step by running idf.py flash monitor. The flash command also includes the build process. This completes the setup and execution of the Hello World project. The next video, we will demonstrate how to run this project within Visual Studio Code.